Look how beautiful the coverage is. May mga times din ba na gusto niyo talaga mag-ayos kaso sobrang busy niyo na at kulang na yung oras? Gamit ko yung dalawang to and then I'm good to go. Now let me show you. Okay, this is a Cushion foundation. Tapos meron siyang kasamang mirror. Tapos napakaganda ng sponge mo siya pagbago pa. Talaga nakasil to cover yan, guys. Yan, so pipress natin. Then, look how beautiful the coverage is. So yan, and we're done with our base. Ako, napakaganda. Look at that. Pak, pak, pak. Okay, I really love this kasi it's so hydrating. Very pigmented siya na sobrang konti lang yung nilagay ko and then ito na yung kanyang pigment. Nagawa ko siyang blush on. At alam niyo po ba, meron itong vitamins A, E, and C at meron din po siyang sunflower oil. So basically, this is a lipstick with lip benefit. Diba? Masyadong healthy yung ating skin. On promo until March 15 only that when you buy one Cushion foundation, you get free hydrating lipstick. O diba? And this is worth 1,000 pesos. But you... Bye! Thank you for watching!